Alia Bhatt, one of the most successful nepotism products in the Bollywood industry, and currently she is facing the wrath of people. As per the recent reports, Alia Bhatt is currently fed up with her parents and she does not care her parents at all. Let us find out in this video what really happened that Alia does not care her parents and does what she wants to do. Alia Bhatt was having a great and shining career in Bollywood and had some big budget movies under her name. But everything changed totally for the actress after Sushant Singh Rajput's sudden demise. She is receiving backlash and trolls from people for being privileged in the industry and for mocking Sushant Singh Rajput. People are banning her movies and boycotting her, which is why Alia has lost many of her upcoming projects like Gangubai Kathiawadi. No filmmakers are now interested in working with her as people might boycott the movie, which may lead to a loss for them. As per the present scenario, it looks like Alia's Bollywood career is almost over now as her movies got banned in Bihar already. Which is why Alia has decided to leave Bollywood and get married with Ranbir Kapoor soon and get settled in her life. But her parents, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt and Soni Razdan, are reluctant with Alia's decision of getting married. They have asked Alia not to leave Bollywood as she might have a bright future ahead, but Alia is not interested in what her parents are saying. Alia now does not care about her parents and what they have to say. Alia is very much pissed off with her father currently. Her father's affair with Bollywood actress Rhea Chakraborty has left Alia ashamed, and this is also damaging her reputation. Which is why she does not want to take advice from her father right now at all. She has stopped talking much with her parents. Even her parents were also reluctant to her decision of getting into a relationship with Ranbir Kapoor. Mahesh Bhatt and Soni Razdan never appreciated Alia's decision because of Ranbir's image as a playboy. But Alia also did not listen to her parents back then, and this time she's also not listening to Mahesh Bhatt and Soni Razdan. And Alia has decided to do whatever she wants to do without listening to her parents as she is fed up with them. Do you think Alia's Bollywood career is over and she will get married soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.